Let's try a simple request. Alexa, tea, Earl Grey, hot.
That beverage has not been programmed into the replication system.
Alexa, tea, Earl Grey, hot.
The replicators on this vessel are not yet operational.
Wow. Alexa, tea, Earl Grey, hot.
Unable to comply. Replicators are offline.
Oh, wow. Come on, Jordy, Scotty, somebody. Alexa, fire phasers.
Okay. Firing phasers. Pew pew.
Oh boy, she's a comedian. Alexa, play bridge sounds. Other weapons. Alexa, fire photon torpedoes.
Photon torpedoes now armed. Firing.
Yeah, much better. The resistance is futile.
I have nothing to say to you, and I will resist you with my last ounce of strength.
Aha. Alexa, beam me up, Scotty.
Okay, I'll do it, but you should probably know I accidentally combined a human and a tribble once. Just once. Good luck.
Scary, but she did it, right?